right, everybody. So this is our basic sand shot, or our basic chip shot. So, first thing I always like to say is ball position. Okay, I always kind of want the ball position in the middle of our stance, because if we have it too far in the back, we tend to get down on it, get a little steep, so we'll chunk it a little bit. And of course, we don't want it too far up in the front of our stance, because you might catch it a little bit off the bottom of the club. So I like to keep it right in the middle of your stance. Okay, right in the middle. I actually like your weight about 55% on your front foot. That way you can catch it more on like a descending blow. And all it is, okay, is when you're set up, okay, I have my 55 on the front foot. Okay, I have my butt end of the club, which is this part right here, towards my pocket. Okay, and all I do is I take it back to my left pocket, or if you're right-handed, you take it back to your right pocket and through to your left pocket. Okay, you take all your hands out of it, just a little hinge to the back, and then through. So you set up in the middle, little hinge, and through. Number two would be keeping our, have you ever heard of keeping your angle? Keeping your angle would be here, and then this, see this is an early release. We don't want that, because if we have an early release, we're going to most likely take it back here. If we release, our club face comes in a little shut, and it comes in a little lower. Third step is tempo. Okay, we're going to talk a little bit about tempo. So what I like to do for tempo and balance is I actually, when we take that swing back, okay, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we got the driver. Okay, so the only thing different with an iron compared to the driver really is just the setup. With the irons, we'll have it more in the front middle of our stance. With the driver, we're catching it on the upswing to get more height on it, because this has only got about 10.5 degrees of loft. So we want it more in the front of our stance to add a little bit more loft. Another big thing I like to do with the driver is add a little bit of shoulder tilt, okay, because that gets it up on the upswing. See how my shoulders are square, and I come down this way more. I like to get a little spine tilt so your shoulders go up, and you can catch it on the upswing more. And it's the same rhythm, same swing,